welcome to my channel. Here's an update on House of Zwide. When I found out that Keleso is smoking Aquata Momanya, and Keleso was begging her not to tell her dad and said that she must come down because we're and then her dad walked in on them quarreling, but Ona managed to tell him that they're just quarreling about room stuff. And then Keleso promised that she'll never smoke again. So Ona said, if you smoke again, Kababulela, the whole family. And then Caesar comes back because he went to the place where Caesar was keeping Ayanda, but he couldn't find them there. It seems that the shows that they were there, but they've moved. Harriet is devastated, thinking, Wanaka, okay, where's my child? And then Uncle Sineshoki, they're wondering, why are these ones staying in a BNB? How bad is their flu? And then Caesar, no faith, they're still trying to figure out what they're going to do. Some Caesar gets a call from Caesar saying that, you know what, next time don't play games with me because you're going to regret. And Caesar goes into a collective with a gun pointed on Ayanda, tells everyone to move and go into one room and lock the doors. Like, everyone is devastated. And Nkosi comes, like, what's going on, Caesar? Kosina is told to follow everyone, and they go to that room. He's keeping them hostage. I don't know what he's planning to do with them, but everyone in one room held hostage by Sizwe. Consequences of what Sizwe did to him, no faith. And then Sandile decides to go to a police station to report to Guti. There are guys that are stealing his brand, his tribe brand. The police officer says that he needs a sample to show that these guys are really stealing his work, but they don't have. So they need to find it before they can open a case. These guys are still going on, continuing to distribute more T-shirts. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.